Assalamualaikum. I hope so you're all fine. And today we are going to discuss how to print something in Python. If you are new on my channel, just go and subscribe my channel. Also click the bell icon. Okay, let's go toward our topic. Go to the search icon and here you write ideally Python. Okay, that is the shell of ideally. Click on the file, open new file, and here write print with parentheses along quotes is the syntax of Python to print something. Right here print, I'm going to print code with Noor, so I'm going to write code with Noor. Save it, and I'm going to save it with the work.py. Okay. Save it, and now time to run it. Now I'm going to print hello world. Hello world. As I told you, print parentheses along quotes is the syntax. So hello world between the print statement. Now save it and run it. Look, code with Noor is already printed, as you see that. And again, firstly print code with Noor and then print hello hello world. Okay, hope so you like my video, and if you like my video, just subscribe to my channel and also click the bell icon for new updates. Thank you.